Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. I am in my backyard today, and I just got an email from Giraffe360 that they updated the scan times. And so what I did was I went on the camera, and then I went to check for updates. I don't know if you can see this very well. And there was an update, and there's also an update for the tripod. So I did both of those, and now we're going to show the process of the scanning and how long it takes. So I'm going to open my stopwatch on my phone. And we're first going to do a still photo. And so I'm going to hit start right now. And it's done. And so it was too quick for me. I'm going to do it again. So 3.75 seconds. Not bad. Let's go back and let's do a scan now. Okay. Let's go. We're going to do a scan, see how long that takes. And there's, 10 seconds accounted for leaving the room. That was about 25 seconds. Let's do this again, and let's do settings. We're going to turn our timer. There's not an off for the timer, so we'll keep it to 10 seconds. Let's do this again and test it out. We're going to delete this pano and hit start now. So 25 seconds. Now we're going to do a double scan. So I'm going to delete this. And we're on double, we're going to hit start. Okay, so with our 10-second timer to leave the room, we're at about 53 seconds, which is a really great, huge improvement. So there you have it. Leave any comments below. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it. Share it. It's a pretty quick video and not much to it, but I just wanted to announce this. And yeah, thanks for watching.